Now, our request is to limit your questions only on PBC-related issue. Kasi baka may magtanong sa inyo about illegal gambling or flood control. Huwag po ngayon. Pakiusap lang po. We have a lot of topics to discuss, so let's limit. Just to give you an idea, the policy discussions for the conference, in which you may start asking this morning, are structured in 4 different places. Number 1 is the issue of connectivity. The dream for us, and Chairman Dennis was saying, that we would like to see, and this is also the aspiration of the ICT, that 100% connected by PBC time. We're almost there. Alam na, nakaplat na po yan, whether it's going to be fiber, whether it's going to be